I just got your second email about that math problem, the 4 times 4/4 times 4/5. And I just wanted to go over what I meant with you really quickly. So on your square, it looks like you did something like this. And then you filled in these squares, and then you had that extra one right there. Now, if I look at these sides and how they're labeled, this side up here, I can't really get up there, so I'll write it off to the side over here. You filled in 5 out of 5. And on this side over here, you filled out 3 out of 4 plus 1. This one extra one down here. So that's what I meant when I said that you had kind of switched things around and done the wrong problem. So if I were solving the 4/4 times 4/5, and again, this is one of those reasons why it's important that we label our sides. I'm going to put my 4/4 over here, my 4/5 right here. So I know on this side, I'm going to split it into 4 groups, and on this side, I'm going to split it into 5 groups. So 4 just like this, and then 5 just like this. You did this part completely correct. Now, where we went wrong is that up here you filled in 5 out of 5 instead of 4, and down here you filled in the 3 out of 4. It should be the 4 out of 4 and then the 4 out of 5. So I'm going to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up here 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I build that rectangle like this, I fill in, let me get a different color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then I have 16 in that rectangle rather than having 15 with a little extra one. So when I actually solve my equation, I get that 16 out of 20, because if I count all of them here, these extra 4 would make 20, correct? So that's what I'm talking about. That's why it's really important that we label our side lengths so that we're really sure what we're doing on the problems you did. The other 2 were correct, but it's going to make it a lot easier and a lot clearer to label the side lengths. It's going to help when you're figuring out maybe where you went wrong on a question like this one. So I hope this helps a little bit.